Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Linguica scrambled eggs. So let's get walking. I have a link of Linguica Portuguese sausage here. Comes 2 in a package, so I opened this a couple of days ago and it doesn't keep real long, so I figured that I better use it up before it goes bad. So I'm going to use about half of it. So what I'm going to do here is cut it down the middle. Better get my finger out of the way here. I don't want to like cut my finger off in the middle of the video. Alright, here we go. Okay, cut it down the middle like that, and then I'm going to see if I can get it out of the casing. Usually you can kind of peel it off. I don't know how. Sometimes it's a little easier or harder. This one's not working real good, but anyway, then what I'm going to do is just start crumbling it up into, small pieces. And I'm going to use my wok for this. It works good for scrambled eggs, but you can use a frying pan if you don't have a wok. So, like I said, I'm just going to get it all crumbled up like this. Get the casing off of both pieces like that, and then we'll get it browned up in the wok. This is the first video I've done on this old stove in this house. So anyway, I got my wok here. I set the burner to kind of medium heat. It's number 6, so we'll see how that works out. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. This is avocado oil. It's got a high smoke point, so just a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan, and then I'll get the linguica in there and I'm just going to brown it up. And once it's browned up and looks nice, this is already fully cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking it to a certain temperature or anything. So as soon as that's browned up, just crack a couple eggs and add those to it. My linguica is browning up nicely and it's smelling good. So now, just add a couple of eggs, and I can scramble the eggs, beat them up right there in the pan. Okay, let me get these out of the way. And one thing I can do with this wok is that it has a nice big handle, so I'm going to pull the pan off the heat so I can kind of scramble the eggs up a little bit before they cook too much. I've seen Gordon Ramsay do this when he does scrambled eggs, kind of pull the pan on and off of the heat to kind of control the heat a little bit. Because if you cook them too fast, they tend to get a little bit rubbery. So then I can put it back on the heat and just kind of let them cook a little bit. And just kind of keep stirring them up. So I'm just going to keep doing this until the eggs are cooked all the way through. They're just starting to look pretty good. Kind of works well being able to kind of pick up the pan and move it off of the heat. I like my scrambled eggs just a little bit creamy, so I think they're just about done. So now I'm just going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Alright, that should be good. And I think those are done. Alright, let's try this out. I made a piece of sourdough toast to go with it. So let's get a bite of these eggs here. Alright. That's good. Linguica has a lot of flavor. Annie was in bed under the covers, so she's probably thinking, boy, this better be good to get me out of that warm bed. There you go, Annie. Well, she ate it all. A lot of people have told me they've never tried linguica. My friend's Portuguese and he got me going on it years ago, but I live in Northern California. Most of the grocery stores around here sell it. It's usually in the refrigerated section, kind of with the lunch meat. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.